Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger the new Roblox menu. I'm just going to do it in this game, but obviously it's going to work for every game you go on Roblox. So as you can see, there's like no menu section, and basically what you need to do now is you'll need to press escape to trigger the menu. As you can see, you cannot like press, for instance, the mic or the chat or whatever. You're going to press it when you press the escape button, and then it's going to appear like this. But if you want it gone again, just press escape and it's going to be gone. So for instance, you want like a cleaner look, and you want to screenshot like a game and it doesn't have like free cam mode like dress room press, for instance, like it's like very clean here. You can just remove it by pressing the escape button. But again, if you wanted to like show, you have to press escape and then press like a chat box or something else, and then it's going to stay there unless you press escape again. So that is the new like update of on Roblox's UI. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.